Do you want to know how you can log in to your GFA Payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your GFA Payroll account. Go ahead and go to the search bar to search for GFA Payroll Login and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you directly to the login portal, which is the official login portal of GFA Online Payroll. The first step is to write down your username. So go ahead and write down your username or your email address in the first box over here. After you write down your username or email address, make sure that it is connected to GFA Payroll and it is correct. Then move to the second box and write down your password. After you write down your password, click on this icon and check your password once again. So the first step was to write down your username, the second step is to write down your password, and the third step is to click on login. This way, you can easily log into your GFA Payroll account. I hope this video about how you can log into your GFA Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.